Hey there. I heard you have a really interesting hobby. What's your favorite pastime? Oh, hey. Yeah, I'm really into photography. It's just something about capturing moments that really fascinates me. That's awesome. How did you get into photography in the first place? Well, it all started a few years ago when I went on a trip with some friends. I borrowed a friend's camera and started taking pictures of landscapes and candid moments. I got hooked instantly. Nice. Do you have a favorite type of photography or a specific subject you love capturing? Definitely. I'm really into nature photography. There's something serene and beautiful about capturing the outdoors, landscapes, wildlife, and the changing seasons. It's like freezing a moment in time. I can see how that would be fulfilling. Any particular photo you're especially proud of? Oh, there's this one shot I took during a sunrise at a mountain peak. The colors were just breathtaking, and I managed to capture a bird in flight. It felt like everything came together perfectly. That sounds amazing. Do you also do any post-processing, or do you prefer to keep your photos natural? I do some post-processing, just to enhance the colors or adjust the exposure a bit. I want the photos to reflect what I saw and felt at that moment, but a little tweaking here and there can make a big difference. Makes sense. It sounds like a really fulfilling hobby. Do you have any favorite photographers who inspire you? Definitely. Ansel Adams has always been a huge inspiration, especially for his black and white landscapes. I also admire contemporary photographers like Jimmy Chin for his adventure photography. Capturing those extreme moments is incredible. It's cool how photography can connect you to both the past and the present. Thanks for sharing. It's clear you're really passionate about it. Absolutely. It's always great to talk about something you love. How about you? What's your favorite hobby? Well, I'm really into woodworking. There's just something satisfying about creating something with your hands, you know? That's fantastic. Woodworking sounds like such a tactile and rewarding hobby. How did you get started with it? It actually started as a simple DIY project. I needed a new bookshelf, and instead of buying one, I thought, why not make it myself? I borrowed some tools, watched a bunch of tutorials, and the rest is history. That's impressive. So, what kind of woodworking projects do you enjoy the most? I really enjoy making furniture, especially pieces with intricate designs. There's this dining table I made with a unique pattern on the tabletop that I'm particularly proud of. It took some time, but the end result was totally worth it. Wow, that sounds like a labor of love. Do you have a favorite type of wood that you like working with? I love the versatility of oak. It's sturdy, and you can create some beautiful finishes with it. Plus, it's readily available, which makes it perfect for a variety of projects. It sounds like you've got quite a knack for this. Are there any woodworkers or designers who inspire your work? Definitely. I'm a big fan of Sam Malouf's furniture designs. His pieces have this timeless quality, and the craftsmanship is just amazing. I also draw inspiration from contemporary woodworkers like Nicole Sweeney and her innovative approach to combining different materials with wood. That's cool. It's always inspiring to have those role models who push your creativity. Do you have any upcoming projects you're excited about? I'm actually working on a custom coffee table for a friend right now. They have a specific vision in mind, so it's a bit challenging, but I love the creative process. It's like solving a three-dimensional puzzle. That sounds intriguing. I'd love to see the finished product sometime. It's fascinating how different hobbies allow us to express ourselves in unique ways. Absolutely. It's one of the reasons I love woodworking. It's not just about creating something functional, it's about adding a piece of yourself to it. What about you? Do you have any other hobbies besides photography? Well, aside from photography, I dabble in a bit of hiking and camping. There's something about being in nature that complements my love for capturing it through the lens. That's a great combination. Hiking and camping must provide you with amazing opportunities to explore new places for your photography. Do you find that your outdoor experiences influence your photography style? Absolutely. Being outdoors and experiencing nature up close helps me appreciate the small details and unique perspectives. It's not just about the grand landscapes, it's the little things, like the way sunlight filters through the leaves or the tracks left by animals. These experiences definitely shape the way I approach my photography. It's incredible how hobbies can complement and enhance each other. So, do you often integrate your love for hiking and camping into your photography expeditions? Definitely. I love combining the two. There's a certain thrill in discovering new locations, setting up camp, and waking up to capture the sunrise in a remote, beautiful place. It adds a sense of adventure to the whole photography process. That sounds like an amazing way to immerse yourself in both hobbies. Do you have a favorite camping or hiking memory that stands out? Oh, there's this one camping trip where we hiked to a secluded lake in the mountains. The reflections of the surrounding peaks on the calm water during sunset were breathtaking. I captured some incredible shots that day and even set up a time lapse to capture the changing colors as the sun dipped below the horizon. That sounds like a picture-perfect moment, both literally and figuratively. It must be so rewarding to look back at those photos and relive those experiences. Absolutely. That's one of the things I love most about both hobbies. They create lasting memories, not just in my mind but through the photos I capture. It's like freezing a moment in time. It's clear that both photography and your outdoor pursuits are significant parts of your life. Thanks for sharing these stories. It's been really interesting to learn more about your passions. Of course. Likewise, I've enjoyed hearing about your woodworking endeavors. It's fascinating how our hobbies allow us to express ourselves and create something unique. Maybe one day we can collaborate on a project. Your custom furniture paired with my photography could make for a stunning combination. That sounds like a fantastic idea. The fusion of craftsmanship and visual storytelling could result in something truly special. Let's definitely keep that in mind for the future. Absolutely, I'd love that. Imagine a handcrafted wooden frame for one of my photographs. It could add an extra layer of artistry. Anyway, it's great how hobbies can bring people together and spark new ideas. Definitely. It's inspiring to think about the creative possibilities that can arise when people with different passions collaborate. Speaking of which, have you ever thought about exhibiting your photography or maybe even publishing a book? It's been on my mind, but I haven't taken the plunge yet. I guess there's that fear of putting your work out there for everyone to see. But hearing your thoughts on collaboration makes me think it could be a fantastic way to share my vision with a wider audience. I think your work deserves to be shared. And imagine the satisfaction of seeing your photos in a beautifully crafted book or displayed in an exhibition. It could be an incredible journey. You might be onto something. Maybe it's time to step out of my comfort zone. And hey, if we ever collaborate on a project, that could be the perfect opportunity to showcase our combined creativity. Absolutely. It's all about pushing boundaries and exploring new possibilities. And who knows, it might open up doors to even more exciting opportunities. You're right. It's time to embrace the possibilities. Thanks for the encouragement. Anytime. It's been great chatting about our hobbies. Let's keep inspiring each other, and who knows where our creative journeys might lead us. Agreed. Looking forward to it. And, hey, if you ever need a custom piece of furniture for a photography exhibition, you know where to find me. Haha, I'll keep that in mind. Until then, happy capturing and crafting. Thanks, you too. Let's stay in touch and maybe plan that collaboration down the line. It could be the start of something really special. Absolutely. I'm excited about the potential. Until then, take care, and enjoy your next photography adventure or woodworking project. Will do. Take care, and looking forward to our creative paths crossing again. See you soon.